Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to complete the practice test in Gmetrix. Okay, so Charles, you with me? Okay, so the way this is set up, it is set up by tasks. Okay, so you have task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in each task, there's a number of questions. Okay, and I'm going to move this for a second. Right here you have grade project, save project, restart project. Okay, so if you're not finished with the module, you can just hit save. Once you're done with it, you hit grade. Okay, so if you look here and there's a little scroll bar, okay, it says Fusion Tomo, you're developing a presentation showing the benefits of using the Fusion Tomo business model. Okay, that's the overview. So now if I go ahead and click where it says task 1, all right, here's your question. Again, you have your little help feature over here with the light bulb. Okay, so it says change the slide master theme colors to blue. So if I click the help, okay, it gives me a list of the order in which you complete the task. So let's go ahead and do this first one together. Oops, let's see. Okay, so it says select the design tab. In the variance group, which is over here, click the more drop-down menu and select colors. So here's the more, and then we're going to select colors. Okay, and then below the office section of colors, oops. Okay, so below the office section of colors, select blue. So that's right here. Okay. All right, so, and then here's another way that you can do it. It says, or do it this way. So there's 2 different ways that you can do it. Okay. So now I am done with this question. Okay. So then I'm going to hit mark completed. So it knows that I've done that. And do you see how it put a little check mark there? And then I'm going to hit next task. Okay. And then we're going to do task 2. Now notice there's 5 tasks. And do you see here where it says project 1 of 7? Okay, so there's 5 tasks in project 1. So when we get done with the 5, it'll go to project 2 of 7. Okay, so, and usually there's not always 5 tasks. There could be 5 tasks, there could be 6 tasks, but there's usually between 35 and 40 questions in the whole thing. Okay, and then you're just going to hit next task. Oops, I'm sorry, I passed it. Okay, so I'm already in 2. So then you're just going to do this task, okay? And my help's already on, okay? And follow the instructions. Once you're done, make sure you hit mark completed so that you know, like, let's say it's the end of class, you go to save it, and when you come back, you know where you left off. Does that make sense? Okay, and then I'm going to get out of it now, so I'm going to hit save. And then it says, are you sure you want to exit the practice test? I'm going to hit okay. And I'm going to save it to this computer, okay? Always this computer because you guys are working on this at home. And then click OK. Now, when you get to the last project, project 7, and you finish it, you would go ahead and hit grade project, okay, after you finish. And that's pretty much it, okay? I'm going to stop this now.